Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun little pack with me / what's in my backpack style video. We went on a snowboarding trip this past March, and sometimes I travel carry-on with a suitcase and a backpack. Sometimes I travel just with a backpack. This was one of those times the airline only allowed for a backpack. We didn't feel like paying more because it was just a 3-day trip. So the first thing I do in order to pack really minimal is make a list of things I'm actually taking. I do take a few extras, but I try to stick to my list as much as possible. I find that this helps me avoid kind of finding a random piece of clothing in my wardrobe and being like, ooh, this could be nice. I just stick to my list better when I know what I'll be wearing on each day. So when I travel backpack only, I usually take my Tropicfeel Shell Backpack, and it comes with this structure. It's kind of like packing cubes, but it's one big unit instead of being individual packing cubes, and it fits perfectly in the backpack, which is why I love it so much. This is not sponsored, by the way. I bought everything myself, but I just really like their brand. So the first thing I do is I kind of put aside the clothes that I'm going to be wearing on my body. So in this case, since we were going on like a mountain trip and we were mostly just going to snowboard, I decided to wear my ski jacket on the way there, as well as a t-shirt, the leggings that I'd be using at the end of the day, and my boots that I just put on as soon as we're not snowboarding anymore. This is my cute little snowboard outfit and my snowboard pants. I end up rolling up everything very neatly and putting them in the different sections of this shell. I'm going to show you up close what it looks like very soon. But the middle compartment basically is an open space, and then the top and the bottom have individual units. I like using the top unit to roll up all of my shirts like this. So in this case, I took a few thermal shirts, a few thermal pants, my underwear, my socks, and I put them all in the small pockets. And then my snowboarding socks and all of the other accessories for snowboarding, just like face masks and stuff, I put in the bottom part. And bulkier items such as these thermal like polar shirts, I put in that middle section that doesn't really have a structure. You do have to kind of push a little bit, but it stays nice and compact like this. So as you can see, everything's very organized, easy to reach. And the best part about this little structure is that when you arrive at your destination, you can take it out and hang it up like this and be able to access everything and still use your backpack. So then I filled up the top compartments with things like sports equipment, like my glasses, my face mask, and also random things like pajamas. And this is what it looked like when it was all packed up. It might not look like it would fit in a backpack right now, but the best part is, as you can see, these side kind of tags, you can pull on them and it compresses all of your clothes. So it becomes like half of the height, basically, like this. The other thing I usually take is one of these clear pouches, and I take travel-sized little toiletries, and this is what the backpack looks like. It has padding on the back, it's waterproof, it's very resistant. I toss this bag around like there's no tomorrow, and it just survives everything. You can open it both from the top and from the back, which I find really handy for security. It has like a laptop pouch, again, also very handy for security. So I'm going to show you guys how I fit it in. So as I said, it fits perfectly in this backpack, which is why I use the packing system. I also use this packing structure when I just use my carry-on. I'll just put it in my carry-on. I love it. Very easy to zip up. As you can see, they're very sturdy zippers. I really like that. And look at how small that packs up. I have like 2 sweaters in here, 3 thermal pants, 3 long sleeve tops, and it looks like this. So for low-cost airlines that only give you 1 bag as your baggage allowance, as you can see, it fits perfectly. This is what it looks like compressed, just so you have a better idea. And again, you can hang it up when you get to your hotel to be able to use your backpack during the day. It's awesome. I know this was a short video, but I thought some of you might enjoy just seeing how I would pack for a quick little weekend trip. And just to finish this video off, I'm gonna leave a few clips of our snowboarding trip to Andorra. I didn't actually do like a vlog or anything, so I'll just leave these here as a little memory. And for any of you that are curious, thank you so much for watching this video, even though it was a very short one, and I'll see you guys again in my next one. Bye! Do you feel bonita? Good, because you look bonita.